No longer do we flip houses, we only flipping land now. Thank you for tapping in, realtors. Thank you for tapping in, prospective first-time homeowners. Thank you for tapping in, investors. This video is for all of y'all. Let us know who you are watching below in the comments. Thank you, and like, share, and subscribe when the time feels right. In this video, we're right here at one of our sites, one of my partner sites, Simcoe, who's manning this project, and we're in a beautiful neighborhood in the upstate of the South Carolina. Well, to be specific, we're in Anderson, and to be even more specific, we are in the Nevin Forest area, which is a beautiful neighborhood for you to build your first home or flip your first piece of land. Why is that, Storm? Why do you say that? Well, let's just look at a brief layout of the land, right? So if you look at this side of the street, you got brick style ranch, empty lot. If you look down this way, you got brick style ranch, empty lot. So all those empty lots, our team here has made connections and has the resources to know who own those lots, and not only just know who owns them, but we have a relationship to where they will release them to us for a particular price. And then we have the math to show you what it takes to build this. So from a client standpoint, we can tell you the square footage is gonna cost you. And from an investor standpoint, some of those people who have the funding to do this, and all you gotta do is look and see what's left in the middle, right? So that's a beautiful, easy, simple concept. It's so much safer. I don't have to worry about running into the issue of, man, if I run up under this crawl space when I'm flipping this house, is it gonna be, pipes all tore up and mold? And, I'm not running into that, right? The only thing I'm running into is possibly rain, like this project did, that threw it a couple weeks behind. And then sometimes the fluctuation of the wood, but usually the labor stays the same and stuff and things like that. From a client standpoint, check this out. Check this out from a client standpoint. You're able to get an FHA loan and help you finance one of these projects. So that's awesome. You can put about $5,000 down and you can still be financed through an FHA loan. And the beautiful part about it is, for you and your family, you get to watch your house be birthed, pick out your paint and make certain customizations to it as well. And you get to pick, for the most part, where you want to be. You get to, you picking your lot size and all that. So that's a beautiful thing. And from a realtor standpoint, if you partner with somebody, maybe they'll help you list this house, or maybe you'll find a buyer for it. We already have a buyer for this one here. And then we got a couple more acres on the other side of the town that we're gonna be doing the same things with. So again, the South is where it's at for projects like this. We still got land. The city, they always say the city better, but we're in the upstate South Carolina, but we still got land. Y'all all good in the city, but y'all gotta build up, you feel me? We still can build wide. Can y'all do that? Listen. Don't flip houses, flip land. If you have questions, leave them in the comments below. Follow our contact information. We're gonna do more videos. We're gonna watch this baby grow. Man, we're gonna tell you what it looked like at the end of this project for the buyer, what it looked like for the investor. And man, we're gonna be real true with the math. And if you need to be taught this, we offering a course that can help you with that as well. So we just here to help, man. That's what we're here for. We appreciate y'all for watching. It's a blessing to be here. And if you watching, you blessed to be here. Again, if you only feel necessary to do so, like, share, and subscribe, and follow us as we travel through the upstate of South Carolina. Appreciate y'all.